Before you or your family visit pools, water parks, hot tubs, spas, splash pads, and water playgrounds, be sure you know how to stay healthy and be pool safe. Although swimming is a physical activity that offers numerous health benefits, pools and other recreational water venues are also places where germs can be spread and injuries can happen. Drowning is the 5th leading cause of unintentional injury death in the United States, and the leading cause of death among Virginia's children 1 to 4 years old. Recreational water illnesses are primarily caused by germs found in the water we swim in. They occur when people come into contact with contaminated water in swimming pools, hot tubs, water parks, water play areas, interactive fountains, lakes, rivers, or oceans.
The most commonly reported recreational water illness is diarrhea, which can be caused by germs such as crypto, short for cryptosporidium, giardia, norovirus, shigella, and E. coli. Chlorine is used to disinfect in pools, but contrary to popular belief, it does not kill all germs instantly. Once a germ has been introduced to a pool, it can take anywhere from minutes to days for chlorine to kill the germs. So swallowing even just a little bit of pool water can lead to illness. Crypto, which can survive for days even in a well-maintained pool, is the leading cause of swimming pool-related outbreaks of diarrheal illness. CDC reports that crypto outbreaks linked to swimming pools have doubled since 2014.
The Fairfax County Health Department issues permits to all public pool facilities and routinely inspects them to ensure they are being operated in a safe and healthy manner in accordance with the Fairfax County Code. During inspections, pool inspectors check for lifeguard certifications and their demonstration of knowledge. Pool inspectors also make sure that proper disinfection and filtration procedures are being followed. Pool safety and first aid equipment meets code. Physical facilities are in good repair, and bathrooms and showers are sanitary.
It's important that swimmers take precautions to maximize the benefits of swimming and minimize the risk of drowning or injury from slips and falls on the pool deck, or transmission of illnesses to themselves or other swimmers.
To prevent injuries and illness when swimming, follow these pool safety tips. Look to make sure drain covers at the bottom of the pool appear to be secure and in good repair. Don't swim if the water is too cloudy to see the drain in the deep end. Smell to make sure there are no strong chemical smells, which is not a sign of proper chlorination, but rather a sign of contamination. Chemicals should not be stored out in the open. Review inspection reports or ask to see water quality results that should be posted at every public pool. Check to see if there is a lifeguard on duty, or for signs posted that say, "No lifeguard on duty." If no lifeguard is on duty, make sure safety equipment such as rescue rings or poles are available. Don't swim or let your kids swim when sick with diarrhea. Everyone should shower with soap before entering the pool and cover any open wounds with waterproof bandages. Take a rinse shower before you get back into the water. Take frequent bathroom breaks and check swim diapers every 30 to 60 minutes. Change them in a bathroom or diaper changing area, not poolside. This will keep germs away from the pool. And wash your hands after using the toilet or changing diapers. Do not swallow the water you swim in. A mouthful of water with germs could make you sick. Keep an eye on children at all times. Always supervise children when they're around water and only allow them to use flotation devices that are Coast Guard approved. No floaties or air-filled toys. Drowning can happen suddenly and silently. And always refrain from alcohol and wear sunscreen with at least SPF 15. Follow these simple tips to save lives and be pool safe. For more information, please visit our website or call 703-246-2444.